everyone, Minnie's Handbags here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And welcome to all my returning subscribers. So today guys, I am going to be doing a tag video which was created by All Things Shell. She has a channel here on YouTube. I will make sure to leave it link down below. And she created a tag called Battle of the Bum Bag, Waist Bag, Fanny Pack, Sling Bags, you name it, it's the battle of it. And I decided to join in on this tag, y'all, because of course I do have a few sling bags, waist bags in my collection, and you guys know that I actually do really like those type bags for vacation, weekend carry, so that I can be completely hands free. So if you are a content creator and you want to join in on this tag, please go ahead and do so, because I would love to see the bags that you have in your collection. Now at the end of the video guys, I will definitely share with you guys which one is my favorite. So let's go ahead and get straight into this tag, guys. So I'm not going in any particular order. So this is the first sling bag that I'm going to share with you guys. I picked this up from Ross, I believe last year in 2024 or 2023, when I was going on vacation. I just wanted something that was lightweight and I could be completely hands-free, and this definitely worked out for me. I believe I paid like $12 for this, and it is like a nylon material bag. It does have this logo here on the front. It is adjustable here, and normally when I wear any kind of sling bag, waist bag, I tend to normally wear across my chest, or I throw it across one shoulder. Absolutely love it that way. Now this one does come with a front zipper compartment, which is pretty deep, and I can fit a good amount of items in there. And then I do get the main compartment here, and it does have a back zipper compartment back there as well too, where I can put all my items I need to reach for easily. So super cute, love this. And that is my first sling bag. Now sling bag number 2 is my extra small Rhea backpack. Now I know this is considered a backpack, but Michael Kors have this advertised on the tag when you purchase this, that it can be worn several different ways, including as a sling bag. So this is why I am sharing this particular bag, and I have worn it as a sling bag across my chest once again, and I absolutely love it that way. Now of course you can detach the straps here on the back, and I normally wear one on this side and then attach it here on this side so that I can wear it as a sling bag, and I love it that way, guys. I mean, that's one of my favorite ways to carry this. Now the Rhea backpack does come with 3 compartments on it, and you do get the smaller compartment down here that comes with the double zipper with the tassels. And normally the only thing I put down here is like my Perel singles, because this pocket, one, it doesn't house a lot. It's really a tight fit, so you can't really fit a lot in there anyway. So normally I just put some extra Perel singles in there. And then you do get your front zipper compartment here, and this is just where I put other items that are really flat, so it doesn't take up the main compartment, which is here. Now in the main compartment, guys, you do get a back slip pocket, and then you also get another slip pocket here on the front. Not sure if you guys can see that, but you do get 2 slip pockets in the inside where you can store additional items if need be. So another cutie. Absolutely love it. So the next 2 bags that I want to share with you guys is what I like to call the dupe or the look-alike of the Rhea backpack, and it is the Steve Madden version of the Rhea's. It looks exactly the same. It has the same amount of compartments on it. It is detachable. The straps are detachable on these as well too. And once again, the reason why I'm sharing these is because I do wear these as a sling bag instead of a traditional backpack because of how small they are. So I like to keep it on the front of me so that I can keep an eye on it and make sure nobody goes in my bag, like when I'm out and about traveling, or even if we're somewhere crowded. I don't like having it on my back, so I use it as a sling bag. I absolutely love these. This one is the black with the silver hardware, and then this one, I believe they're calling it fuchsia and black with the silver hardware as well too. And the setup is exactly the same. You get the dual zippers here on the bottom with this pocket, then you get your front zipper compartment, and then you also get a main zipper compartment as well too. Now in the inside of this one, you do get a very small zipper compartment, and you don't get any slip pockets on that front wall. So you only get that one zipper compartment in the inside of this one. So still pretty much you get the same amount of storage minus one of the slip pockets. So absolutely love these. I think these are so adorable. Now we are winding down to my last three, guys, and I'm pretty sure if you've been watching my channel for a while, you probably already know what they are. But if you are new here, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you what they are. It is none other than the Maisie 2-in-1 sling bag, y'all. Now this one is in the color dark sangria. I absolutely love this. Now this particular one, the reason why it's a 2-in-1 is because it does have the detachable card case here. If I can get it out. There we go. So you do get this card case that is detachable from the bag. You can put it inside the bag if you want to and use it as a card case. It is attached to this beautiful chain detail right here, and it does have the lobster clamp here. So like I said, if you want to detach it from the bag, you can do so. So it does come like that, and you can just stick it in the inside of the bag. Now it only comes with the one slip pocket here. You don't get, well, I'm sorry guys, you do get a slip pocket on the back, and you get a slip pocket on the front of the card case. Now I do like the fact that if you use the card case that it comes with as a card case and put it in the inside of the waist bag, you can use the slip pocket for something here. It is a magnetic closure, and then you do get this front zipper compartment here. And when I tell you this front zipper compartment holds a lot, it definitely holds a lot, guys. Like, I absolutely just love this little sling bag. Now of course, here is the main compartment. And in the main compartment, guys, as you can see, it is very roomy, but you also get a back slip pocket as well too. And there are no zipper or slip pockets on the back. You do get the web adjustable strap right here. And like I said, this is a waist bag, but I use it as a sling bag, and I just wear it across my chest because I like the way it looks that way on me. I'm a chunky girl, so I don't like wearing any kind of bum bag, waist bag around my waist. I normally always wear it across my chest, guys. Now I also have this in two additional colors that I will share with you guys. So that was the dark sangria with the gold hardware. This one is the teal with silver hardware. Still comes with the card case here. And that silver chain detailing, absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Same setup in the inside. And the last one is this beautiful one here that I just picked up recently. And this is in the color electric pink. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Once again, you still get that detachable card case, your zipper compartment, It is the gold hardware, and there goes that gold chain on the side. I mean, that just is just so gorgeous on this bag. I absolutely love it, guys. So that was all of my sling bags, waist bag, bum bag, fanny packs. Okay, so let's get down to it, guys. Now, let me know down in the comments, which one do you think won the battle of the waist bags? Now, if you've been following me for a while, you probably already know which one I am going to pick. But if you are new here, it is none other than the Maisie 2-in-1 sling bag. Y'all, I absolutely love this sling bag. She is everything. I have worn this several times. It holds everything that I need inside of it. And if I still want to put a little few extra things on top, I can. So I absolutely love it. She definitely wins the battle of the sling bag, waist bag, bum bag, fanny pack battle. Okay, so if you don't know about the Maisie 2-in-1 sling bag, definitely check out my video. I have done an unboxing on it, as well as a what's in my bag. I'll try to leave those videos linked down below, but definitely check out the Maisie because you won't be disappointed, y'all. Now, if I had to pick a runner up, it would definitely have to be the Michael Kors Rhea backpack if I had to pick a runner up, because it has a lot of storage in it, and I'm still able to carry everything that I need inside of here as well too, guys. All right, guys, so if you have stuck with your girl thus far, please make sure, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, because it is absolutely free to you. And if you are a content creator and you want to join in on this tag, please make sure to hashtag please make sure to tag your girl All Things Shell in this video, because she created the tag, and I would love to see you guys battle of the fanny pack, waist pack, sling bag. So yeah, definitely do this video if you are a content creator. Let me know down in the comments, guys, do you have any sling bags, bum bags, fanny packs, waist packs in your collection? Let me know down below. So until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day, and I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.